Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. Please subscribe and please share, and now we're going to get right on with the video and show you what's in my box. Right, there's my box, and now we're going to open her up. Right, let's have a little look. First thing in the box is lens cleaning kit. Don't know what that is. Tell you what, we'll take everything out of the box first. Yep. Now what's in here? SD card, battery, and an important part, the UV protector. Right, let's have a look at this little baby then. First we've got a cable. Warranty bits, and your bases might as well be a workshop manual. Power cable, a remote control, this is a smaller type battery that probably lasts about an hour if you're lucky. Lens cover, this is for powering up your battery in your camera. Screws. A small battery for your remote control, and that is one of those insulation things that you actually put around a cable. This is for your microphone. And there's the handle for the top. Looks pretty cool. Cool. Micro writing. Right, and this is the baby. God, ain't it small? Let's move that out of the way. Yes, guys. Don't blink. This is the camera, and I kid you not, it is seriously small. Look at that. Now guys, this is what I call very, very small. It's absolutely beautiful. Right, let's have a quick look around. Now, if you're anything like a typical bloke, there's your manual. Now, how many times do people actually read them? Yeah, that's right, they don't. So one assumes that this goes on here. Don't forget, guys, I've probably seen that many videos now. I probably know how to do this off by heart. One assumes that that goes in there. Yeah, that's right. We'll just hand tighten them. I would suggest doing this anyway. Hand tighten everything. Never go over the top. That looks better. Oh, that's even better. Especially when I get my mics on the top. Now, one assumes that we'll put the battery in. Okay. Best way of doing it, just rip the bloody thing open. There we go. And there's the battery connector. Ah, simple as that. Yeah, battery release underneath, so it just drops down. So a battery goes in quite easy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and charge her up, get a bit of life in the old baby. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and please share. And do check out the description below, because down below I have got a few links to other people who use the camera. Also a link to Canon where you can obtain user manuals. And we'll see you again very shortly. Laters!